I'm about to show you how to pack in a ton of plants into this small space. If packing in the plants is something that you're interested in, then you got to stick around the Gardenary channel. Subscribe right here and look for lots more content on intensive planting to come. How many plants can you fit into a 4x4 raised bed kitchen garden using the Gardenary method? Well, I've been trying to pack in the plants into this small raised bed to show you what's possible. So today I'm going to tell you everything that's planted and growing in here and challenge you to grow more in your own space too. So starting off in the corner here, we've got some thyme, we've got some Angelonia flowers taking off, we've got marigolds, I've got another purple flower here, some chives, and some sage. So just in this little corner here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants so far. I've got a pepper plant right here that's just starting to take off. I've got some purple basil. I have another hot pepper plant right here and a bean plant growing from seed. Actually 1, 2, 3 bean plants. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. So we're at 11 so far. Now I've got this huge squash plant that is growing over the side of the bed. I've got some marigold, some parsley, some more marigold, another bush bean plant, some more Angelonia, some rosemary, and then a crazy lettuce plant that I am letting go to seed. So I think we're now at about 17 plants so far. I've got this huge basil. I've got another pepper plant. I've got another basil on the side of that one. Then I've got another squash over here and another purple basil and parsley too. So I'm adding up in my head. I think that gets me to about 22 plants so far. Around this side, it's very much a mirror of this one. So we're just going to jumble for the other 2 corners of the bed. That gives us about 44 plants just around the perimeter of this garden. That includes peppers, basil, squash, loads of herbs, and lots of flowers. Now using the obelisk trellis, we're growing tomatoes and cucumbers up this trellis. Here at the base, you can see we've got 1, 2, I think 3 tomato plants and then 1 cucumber plant. So 4 more plants that are making their way up this obelisk trellis. So all in all, it looks like we've got about 50 plants growing in this kitchen garden, and I think there's even room for more. You can grow a ton of plants in a small space when you have raised beds, trellises, great soil, and you work with the plants together based on their size and duration. You can shop the full line of Gardenary steel and cedar beds along with all of our trellises at the Gardenary shop at gardenary.com. And you can learn how to garden the way we do inside of Kitchen Garden Academy. There's more details on both in the caption. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you head out to your garden now to go put in some more plants.